In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to webhooks. If you're looking to automatically send updates into a Slack channel from another service like alerts, form submissions, or build notifications, incoming webhooks are the simplest way to do it. Start by opening app.slack.com in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want messages to appear. Make sure you have permission to install apps in that workspace. If not, you may need an admin to approve the installation. Once you're in Slack, look to the left sidebar for the More menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word More or as an overflow icon. Click that to expand additional options. From the menu that opens, choose Tools, then select Apps. This takes you to the Slack app directory for your workspace. The directory is where you add official integrations that extend Slack's capabilities. At the top of the directory, use the search bar and type Webhooks. You're looking for the official incoming Webhooks app from Slack. Select it to open the app's details page where you can review what it does and what permissions it needs. On that page, click Install. If your organization requires admin approval, you'll see an option to request it. Go ahead and submit the request and resume once it's approved. If you have access, continue by clicking Add to Slack. This begins the setup process and links the app to your workspace. You'll land on a configuration screen. To create your first webhook, click Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. That action generates a unique webhook URL and shows configuration options like choosing a default channel that the webhook will post to, setting a display name, and picking an icon. Choose a channel that makes sense for the type of messages you expect, but remember you can usually override the channel in your payload if the service supports it. A quick security note: treat your webhook URL like a secret. Anyone with that URL can post to your channel, so don't share it publicly or commit it to a repository. If it's ever exposed, head back to this configuration page and rotate or remove it, and that's it. You opened Slack, navigated to More, went through Tools to Apps, searched for webhooks, installed the incoming webhooks app, added it to Slack, and created an incoming webhook integration. From here, you can plug that URL into the external service that will be sending messages. If you don't see the options mentioned, your workspace theme may label menus slightly differently, but the flow is the same. Thanks for watching and happy automating.